You're not being ignored because you're boring. You're being ignored because your delivery lacks emotion. Have you ever listened to someone speak and felt something inside you? Not because they were loud, not because they were dramatic, but because their words carried weight. Here is the truth. Words are not emotional. Delivery of it matters. If you want your words to sound emotional, you must first feel what you are saying. Pause and think. Before you speak any sentence, ask yourself, how should this make someone feel? Hopeful, painful, urgency, faith, or power? Emotion begins with intention. Now listen carefully. The first secret is slowing down. Fast words sound nervous. Slow words sound powerful. When you slow down, you give your listener time to breathe with you, to process, to feel what is being said. Second secret, use silence. Silence is not empty. It builds tension. It adds depth. It allows your message to land. Sometimes the most emotional part of a sentence is the pause before it ends, allowing the audience to process what's being said. Third secret, change your tone. Emotion lives in variation. If every sentence sounds the same, nothing feels important. Lower your voice when the message is deep. Raise it slightly when the message is strong. Soften it when the message is vulnerable. Let your voice move, like the meaning behind it. And finally, speak with belief. If you don't believe what you're saying, your voice will betray you. But when conviction enters your tone, people don't just hear you, they feel you. Remember this. Emotion is not about shouting. It is about connection. And connection is what makes words unforgettable. Now go. Speak slower. Pause deeper. Feel first. Then speak. And watch your words come alive. This is the winning voice.